This is a remarkable moment in the history of Swiss railways. The Switzerland-Rhetian Railway is finally giving a trial run to its R12 steam snowblower. After 18 years of restoration, for the very first time, the R12 is being tested, and that too under the toughest conditions. This Swiss locomotive was originally built in 1913 by Machine Works. The R12 is a non-self-propelled blower, which was used to clear snow from the railway lines. In its glory days, R12 was highly efficient for clearing large amounts of snow, which often got onto the tracks due to heavy snowfalls, snow drifts, or avalanches. It was built with a steam engine inside a car body. However, instead of driving wheels, it's the R12's body that powers the rotary blades. The steam engine sits on a frame with two non-powered wheeled trucks. The R12 is thus finally pushed by the trailing steam engine. After 18 years of hard restoration efforts, this beautiful machine is now back in action. Martin Horath and his team were behind this tremendous effort through all these years. Fortunately, the test went remarkably well. The R12's performance was good, even with the hard spring snow. After hundreds of hours of team efforts, it has been successfully brought back to life. However, in future the R12 will only be used for demonstration and attraction purposes because it is too precious to handle hard snow during rough weather. So if you happen to visit Swiss Alps anytime soon, don't miss watching the restored R12 in its full form.